I thought I was the one in the diminished condition, but Olga's been doing yoga 2.5 hours, so we're almost on an equal par, except that we're walking uphill.
Yeah.
I'm panting, and I said we can do a talk walk.
Okay, if you like.
So, what's a talk walk?
Well, walking and talking at the same time. Whoa, what a concept.
Well, here we are, mid-November in Rishikesh, India, and we're supposing that we'll be here till mid-March,
Yeah.
and then make the leap to Nepal.
Yeah.
Not sure how yet, but Olga smiled when that happened.
I think it's high time to go back to Nepal. It's a lovely country.
Well, for Olga it's going back. For me, I've never been, so we had planned it for 2020,
Yeah.
and that got canceled when COVID hit. So Nepal for a month, and then what sprung from that is, where do we go afterwards? And I'm not going to tell you yet, but it's gotten very exciting in the last hour.
Actually, every day is super exciting. My yoga classes are super exciting every day. I never know what's coming. And he started to cater my stuff into his classes, which I'm very grateful for.
And your stuff is what?
Handstands, forearm stands, arm balances, all the stuff that I want, he teaches me. So that's really sweet of him. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I think the teacher even called Olga his friend today. So
He must have misspoken, although I am his friend, but you know, that takes a bit.
yeah. My real reason behind this is I know that when we do the filming while we're walking, the passage happens, and I don't notice that we're walking uphill for kilometers. So, okay, my photography may not be good, but there is a method in my madness. All right, see you at the top. Come up the hill from the main highway, about a mile. It's up and up for sure. And the countryside is just very lovely. We've already seen a waterfall, and lots of cows grazing. And we're preparing to go up the hill about another 2 kilometers. Alrighty. We've got monkey sightings. They're hopping through the bushes.
Well, the mom just crossed.
There's
Another
one
one?
goes across.
Yeah. Mom and baby just ran that way too.
Oh,
They're here. On this side.
there's one.
That's good. They can practice.
Somebody's eating over here.
Yeah, mom and baby over there.
Good morning, kids.
Some over there. Oh, good.
Oh, hi, kids. Making the migration. With every step, twist, and turn, India produces. This is our car of the day, and I don't actually remember the name of these, but we used to see these all the time, and they used to be the taxis. Anyway, Olga will remember, and I'll post it later. They have routed some water from the river and brought it in to a swimming pool. So all the people are enjoying, and then it goes back out into the river. Alrighty, here's, I think, the third waterfall on our way up, coming into the stream. Keeps the water fresh, and that's coming out of that hill right there. Himalayan water. Keeps the air wonderful, and the negative ions around it are just, oh wow. Reveal it earlier because I didn't know, but the Indian kids we just passed revealed to me that we're on our way to the secret waterfall.
Oh, well, that's good. Better get ready, baby.
Well, I know Olga will go swimming, that's for sure.
I'm going to. Stay out. Stay right here.
Hello, little friend. Swallowtail. Huh? How lovely you are. Yeah. All right. Meeting people along the way. That's Olga with her friend Kathy from Hawaii. So far they're only 5 meters ahead. I'm sure that distance will grow because this is pretty rocky. And we're still on our way to the secret waterfall. I did stop and have lunch on the way, by the way, and it was pretty good. We had basmati rice, mung bean dal, some brinjal, which is kind of like a pressure cooked eggplant, and something orange and spicy. It was vegetarian. I have no idea what it was. Alrighty. Well, we never found the secret waterfall, but this will have to do. And you know who's swimming. Yeah. I took one video of Olga swimming in Oslo Harbor, and it got 2,000 hits.
Really?
Yeah.